Good evening, friends. Today I'm going to show one beautiful module from our own Odoo Community Association, which is part of purchase workflow. The business case is if during any make to order, sale to purchase, buying process, like I want to sell and then buy the product in make to order and purchase workflow. For any business, Odoo does select the first vendor of choice from the product master purchase supplier list. Now, during the sales, if I know like I want another vendor for my preferred product during my sales, and then purchase order will be created based on my selected vendor, not the Odoo's given vendor, then how can I achieve that? So here the sales purchase force vendor module is available for us. So let's see how it works. So first we have to go to inventory and enable the multi-step route, as well as we have to enable make to order route in version 18 of Odoo. So this module is available in version 18. Once these steps are set, then I will create a new product like product 1, which is tracked by quantities, and over here I will say my vendor 1, which I am buying at 10, and then vendor 2, which I am buying at 11, and then on the route I will say MTO and buy. Then I will just duplicate this product, and I will create a product number 2 where I will define vendor 2, vendor 3. So this is a simple example I am creating right now with two different products. So during sales, let's say I am selling this product to any customer like product 1 and product 2. So as soon as I confirm, the system will trigger two purchase order with the preferred vendor. Why preferred? Because vendor 1 is marked as the first in the product master list. So let us check in product 1, vendor 1 is marked as the preferred vendor and vendor 2 is marked in product 2. So that's why Odoo has by default created two POs. And then what I will do, I will confirm and then I can proceed further. Now let's say I know during any sales process, like I am going into my sales order and I am creating a new sales order and I am selling this product 1 and product 2, and then over here I will see the vendor, and let's say I am selecting vendor 2 and vendor 3 over here as my preferred vendor, and then as soon as I confirm, system will trigger the PO based on my preferred vendor during the sales line only. So the purchase RFQ will be created based on my selected vendor during sales only. So this is the change which we can see in our Odoo when we are using this beautiful module, a free module from our Odoo Community Association OCA branch, Sale Purchase Force Vendor. So people out there, any user, any consultant, they can propose this particular module, which is very easy to install and configure without any hassle, and start using it by selecting preferred vendor during sales process only, during make to order and buy process. Hope this small module will help many people to achieve this business utility and business case based on their need. Thank you guys. Have a good day.